we have the 2012 Chevrolet Equinox 1LT, stock number 11360. This vehicle has approximately 120,000 kilometers with a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. This vehicle has a factory exterior color of red. This vehicle comes equipped with deep tinted rear glass as well as a remote keyless entry. It includes power and heated outside mirrors as well as a leather trim steering wheel. Other features include XM satellite radio, a display compass, as well as ONSTAR turn-by-turn navigation, steering wheel audio controls, as well as a rear view backup camera and USB ports. Here at Finch Chevrolet, we strive to give you the best in previously owned vehicles. Although this vehicle is no longer within the manufacturer's warranty period, it still comes e-tested, safetied, and certified with a complimentary CarProof report. Stop in today and see Finch first. You won't be disappointed.